Welcome. And routing is very basic and pretty straightforward. And every application is required routing, and we can set our routes routing easy. Basically, the routing is the entry point of your URI or URL for your application where you can access your pages or your view files and mm, in browser. So let's control P and find our web.php, which is a routing file in Laravel. So you can go from a right from a routes and web.php. So here it is accessing a route, which is let's clear it. And okay, it's getting. And so so we are getting our view of Laravel. So we will see our basic routing, and not we will check the advanced routes with the routing uh, with the prefix or grouping to associate our routes to our controller and views. So first we will check our basic route. So we can define our route get. So it's the basic get, or you may use the method post for request that you are will be getting a farm request, or your request get post or put, uh, delete, and so you can basically all the requests that we go with get or post and get. So we will define our, actually it is not a URL or URI. So it is a pattern that we define right here. So we are setting our root, and the slash forward slash is reference our root, and we set to it our closure functions, and we can set to uh, this root is to closure function, and right there. So we can set our route like mm, users, and we can echo. You can know you can do any code in your route, your route. You can print do any coding under your route. So it's not necessary. So echo string, uh, testing, routing, and close the statement. So come to browser, refresh. So you can see, sorry, the way you are looking is not found because we have set our route users. Uh, yes, user. So the route is now defining the test route. So we can also give an optional data in our route. Suppose we can give curly brackets and ID to root, and we have to give this closure ID to our closure functions ID, and we can echo that, print that ID right here. So ID and in the closure function it is we calling our id from route, so and echo it to the browser. So right now there is no id, so we can give user one, and you can see we can give id right to here, so it will print any id that you give. So 5. So you can in option you can set as long as many uh, post slash uh, um, so user slash id slash post slash uh, post id. So post id, and give that id to our closure function to get it to print post id, and let's set the um, concatenate these two variable with the strings and post id. And right now let's pose 2 and post slash post id 4. So you can see we have a 2 uh, user slash 2 and post slash 4, so we can print both the ids that we are get from our route get. So let's comment it, and so we can associate our route to controller, that you have any controller, and we will see in our advanced route controller, and add controller method, and we can also name it this route. So it's a app dot index or any name that we can give. So we can give it our route to our controller with method, and so we will check it in our advanced routes.